Hey everyone, my name is Philip. A couple people have asked me to do a video on the Lippert thin shade install on a NoBO 10.6, so I'm going to do my best and show everybody what I'm doing. So here's the old window in the NoBO. You can actually see that I've already put the small retaining clips on the inside. They're actually to remove the window, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. I won't be able to show it because I don't have more than two hands, but I'll show you once the window's out. So as you can see, I do have the window frame out. So this was the window frame that was just in the window. These clips right here slide in, and it slides in between here and separates it, and that's. So here's what the window looks like with half the frame pulled out. You can see where the spots went in and locked in. You can actually see the glue right here. There's this glue that holds the glass in. So here's the window. I'm just gonna take my hand on the inside, hold the glass. I'm gonna slowly push out. And there's a seal on this side too. You can see it coming off right here. There's your window removed. As you can see that seal right there. It's going to go on the outside of the window. Fall out, so you do want to be careful with that. Just trying to get the pieces to line up, and then they'll start clicking. You'll hear them clicking like that. They're clicking together. Before I do the last part, I'm going to do a little window cleaning. So I'm using Invisglass. It's good for tinted windows. Just spray it on there. I'm using a microfiber cloth. Wipe it off. Have a nice clean window. So the last step is putting in the blind. I don't know if you can see it or not, but where I'm pointing right here is these little clips. The top goes to the right, the bottom goes to the left, and then I'll show the install of the blind. It comes with this blind. If you can see right here, there's a tag where my thumb goes. It's an accordion style blind. So it goes in the window at a 45-degree window angle at the top, and then fit right in place, and then these should just shut. And sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's not. And then the bottom is the same thing as the smooth surface is on top. It goes in at a 45-degree angle. It should close. Simple, hold it in, and I'll mess with the top one. There it is. There's your window blind. It's that simple. I hope you guys have it.